Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your browser. In this tutorial, I'm using Chrome browser right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on your address bar right here. And what you want to do is to type in DaFont, hit enter. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on the first one right here, DaFont.com. Click on that. That's going to take you to the official web page right here. You can scroll down right here and download as many as possible fonts right here. Okay. Next thing we want to do here, I'm going to simply go ahead and download. Scroll down right here. So if you are not satisfied with any of the fonts from the home page right here, you can simply scroll down right here and check on. So if you are not satisfied with the fonts from the home page right here, what you can do right here is to come to the top right here. You can browse by category right here. So I'm going to simply come to typewriter right here. So you are going to see similar results for typewriter. You can scroll down right here and check on some of the fonts in the typewriter sections right here. So if you're satisfied with any one of them right here, let's say for instance I'm going to get this one. What we want to do is to simply click on download right here. Alright, so this window here is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on save right here. And in a few seconds, the font should be downloaded into your PC. So just like what you see right here. Okay, so after a successful download, this particular font from web, we can access from the web and see how we can actually add the font from the web. Next thing we want to do is to see how we can add the font in our Adobe Photoshop right here. So let's find out. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead to your download folder. So I'm going to go to my download folder on my PC right there, and here we go. So this is the font right here. What we want to do is to copy the font from here. So I'm going to right click on the font zip folder. Then I'll make sure I go ahead and click on copy right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to minimize my Photoshop or so. Then I'll have to head over to another new folder right here. So this is an empty folder. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is to paste the zip font file right here. I will right click again and I'll make sure I click on paste. So the zip folder of that font that we download on the web is going to be pasted right here. Next thing you want to do is to see how we can unzip the folder. So right click on the zip folder right here. Then make sure you click on extract here. So click on that. So in a few seconds, everything in this zip folder here is going to be extracted. Then we have the font file. Okay, just like what you see right here. Here is the font file, Shin typewriter. What we want to do is to press enter key on our keyboard. Then this window box here is going to pop up right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and install this particular font. So for that, we want to come to the top right there, click on install. After a successful installation, we can go ahead and open up our Photoshop and locate this font right here. So for that, I will go ahead and open up my Photoshop right here. So I've opened up my Photoshop. Next thing I need to do is to go to my type tool right here. So I will select my type tool. I'll come to the workspace right here and I'll simply make it type new font. Next thing I'm going to do is to press Ctrl A. This allows me to select all the text. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come to the top right here and I will come to the font right here. So what I'm going to do is to simply type in the name of that particular font that we download. So I'm going to type in Shin typewriter. So just like what you see right here, Shin typewriter. I'm going to select on that. Then we can navigate to regular right here and check some of the font family. So it has only regular right here. So we can come to the size right here. We can increase the font size as much as possible. So we can use this slider to increase more. The more you drag the slider, the more the font is going to be increasing, just like what you see right here. So it's that simple. So for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Photoshop, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.